President Emmerson Mnangagwa, the man at the helm of Zimbabwe, has recently thrown a curveball that's got everyone talking. In a surprising move, during the groundbreaking ceremony of a new cricket stadium in Victoria Falls, Mnangagwa hinted at hanging up his presidential hat in 2028. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the loud chorus from some of his supporters pushing for a third term, Mnangagwa seems to be eyeing a quieter life, possibly as a cattle businessman. Now Mnangagwa, who took office in 2017, is constitutionally limited to 2 terms, which means his presidency should conclude by 2028. However, his party, ZANU-PF, with a strong majority in the National Assembly, has been toying with the idea of constitutional amendments to extend his stay. But here's where it gets juicy. Mnangagwa's own words at the ceremony suggested a different future, one where he envisions himself not in the corridors of power, but amidst cattle and butcheries in Victoria Falls. Quite the shift, isn't it? But wait, there's more. The opposition groups and pro-democratic forces are not just sitting back, they've been rallying citizens to resist these potential illegal amendments and uphold the constitution. The tension is palpable as this political chess game unfolds, with each player making calculated moves. As we edge closer to the ZANU-PF Congress, the political atmosphere is charged with debates and speculation. Will Mnangagwa really step down? Or is this just a strategic play to appease rising discontent? And what about Vice President Chiwenga? He's been somewhat in the shadows, but with Mnangagwa's hinted retirement, could he be the next in line for the presidency? In the midst of all these power plays and constitutional debates, one thing is clear. The future of Zimbabwe's leadership is hanging in a delicate balance. And as citizens, the power to influence this future lies in staying informed and engaged. So what do you think? Is Mnangagwa's retirement hint genuine or just a political maneuver? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Remember, understanding the moves on the political chessboard not only keeps us informed, but empowers us to partake in shaping our nation's future. That's it for today's deep dive into Zimbabwe's political drama. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay on top of this unfolding story.